So funny, the dogs always have to come with us. Look, there's all the goats. What are you all doing? Look at our new babies. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, pretty.
What are you?
He's mixed with one of the new Cluck Cluck things. You know what I'm talking about? Those
Yeah,
right there.
you think so?
And yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Cool.
And like maybe Harold.
Yes, Duck, we hear you. They're all just sitting there waiting very patiently. And you got big old Duck. What's up, Harold? Yeah, I'll look at it. What's up, my baby? This is my little Harold hen. Look how ugly. Guineas really are ugly.
Look how cool that's
They really are. But like, I don't think they know that they're guineas because they've been raised with these ducks that they've been living with.
Check out the duck.
Anybody want to educate me on these ducks? Like, I don't even know what kind of ducks they are. I just know that's a brown duck. That one's got some purple or blue feathers on it, and that one is a white duck. That's about all the knowledge I have of it. There's my big old large rooster. Dewey's going bye-bye.
Ow.
Yep. Gosh, they need haircuts. Nosy Rosie, what you doing? Quit. You're going to a new house. And poor Deacon, what is up with Deacon's horn?
It's going like by his eyes.
Good grief. Let's see who's in here. I hear some bok, 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 bok. There's all the silkies together. One big gray one. And that is Bert, Merle, and Stanley. And what do we name this one over here? Ernie.
Ernie.
All right, now tell me what is going on over here.
So, Harold, our Silky, Brody again.
Harold,
I think
how
he's
many
just, like,
babies
sitting
are
here.
you going to have?
Oh, you quit.
no,
That's
watch.
Harold.
This is hilarious.
No.
Look, no, watch. Quit. Watch. So this is what is so funny about these two. So they're like two old women, and oh, she's done scooted it underneath him. But get it to where she'll get it. So like they'll get an egg, and watch her. She'll steal it and put it underneath hers. No, just watch and see if Harold steals it. Back up.
Harold won't steal it.
Harold will steal it. Like,
Quit.
What? Get it, Harold. No, you
Quit.
need to be aggressive, Harold. If you're going to be broody, okay, which one's going to do it? Come on, Harold, you can do it. You can do it, Harold. Come on, Harold. Come on. I know we've taught you. Quit, Carly. You can't leave it alone,
I was
sister.
just trying to see
No,
who would
leave it
get it.
alone.
Harold's not gonna
Harold.
get it.
Harold.
He don't.
Harold, look. No, we got to do this now. Peanut is younger than you. And I know we first thought you were a boy, but you can do it. Come on, Harold. You can do it, Harold. Come on, Harold. Come on, Harold. Do it. Grab it, Harold. Grab it. Get it, Harold. Get it, Harold. No, Harold. Come on. Well, how many does she have?
She's got all them.
Oh, she's got two. Harold, you was over here laying and not on anything.
Quit.
You wouldn't even.
Quit. I'm gonna move you next. You tell him you better not talk back.
Your hair's.
You better not back talk me. See.
Harold, come
Look,
on now.
look over here.
She's gonna steal all your eggs, and we're gonna have. Look, she's gonna steal them. Watch her. She's already getting in position to do it, and you just let her.
And then if you
You
come
just
over,
let her, Harold. Come on now. Come on, Harold.
Let's see how many she has.
Look, there's you are the egg stealer. Goodness.
Put it back in.
We got the guineas. That's Larry, Curly, and Mo. Larry, Curly, and Mo. And then our ducks are Rufus, Lopez, Snow White. Looks like she's limping. And Tom and Jerry. Come on, Snow White. What's wrong with you? Uh-oh. No, you're just waddling, I think. All right. So listen, I believe Tyrion is caught. He sounds like he's panicky. Don't sound right. We're coming.
Oh.
Something ain't right. What? Oh my goodness, there ain't a thing wrong with it. It was just so lonely. It was just so lonely. You good now? Daggone.
Tell me you love me. Say, I love you.